When is the ideal time to start an SIP? Will choosing the right time play a big factor in equity returns? To discover more such intriguing facts about SIP investment, we have our financial expert Manish with us. Manish, the stage is all yours.
No, actually, it's absolutely no. It's a waste of time, to be honest. Don't worry about first day, second day, third day. As long as you're investing, that's important. That's what I said. Timing the market is not important. Spending time in the market is important. So spend more time on ensuring that your SIPs last long for 10 years, 15 years. It's all get neutralized or it all gets negated that whether you have invested on first day, third day, fifth day. Absolutely no requirement to spend time on finding the right day, etc. The best thing is that you spend your time on ensuring that your investment remains.
Thanks for your detailed answer. If you have any doubt regarding this or any other financial or investment decision, don't hesitate to book an appointment with our financial expert. The link to the appointment is given in the description below. And also, would you like to know more about finance and investment? Then we would recommend you to attend our live webinar. The link to the webinar is also given in the description below. The webinar is absolutely free. If you like this video, hit like, and if you are new to our channel, please do subscribe.